Hey guys, welcome back to the UltFone channel. If your iPhone 11 is stuck on the Apple logo just like mine, don't panic. I know how frustrating it can be. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an iPhone stuck on the Apple logo, including a method that can repair the system without erasing your important data. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. A force restart is usually the quickest thing to try when your iPhone freezes or gets stuck during startup. Here's how to do it. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This can fix minor iOS crashes and temporary system glitches. However, if your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo because of a failed iOS update, full storage, or a more serious system problem, a force restart may not be enough. If that's the case, move on to the next method. Method 2. Fix the iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to a computer first. Then, quickly press volume up, quickly press volume down, and keep holding the side button. This time, don't release it when you see the Apple logo. Keep holding until the recovery mode screen appears. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, open iTunes on your computer. iTunes should detect that there's a problem with the device and give you two options: update or restore. You can try update first to reinstall iOS, but if the update fails, you may still end up with the iPhone stuck on the Apple logo, and choosing restore will erase the data on the device. So, if you want a simpler option that's designed to repair iOS while keeping your data, you can try the next method. Method 3. Repair the iPhone with UltFone iOS System Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair can fix more than 150 common iOS issues, including an iPhone stuck on the Apple logo, boot loops, recovery mode problems, and failed iOS updates. After installing UltFone, connect your iPhone to the computer and put it into recovery mode, just like we did earlier. Then click the green Start button and choose Standard Repair. The program will automatically find the correct firmware package for your iPhone. Download the firmware, and once it's ready, start the repair. UltFone will then repair the iOS system and try to get your iPhone working normally again, while Standard Repair is designed to keep your existing data. And that's how to fix an iPhone stuck on the Apple logo. Hopefully, one of these methods gets your iPhone back to normal. If you have any other questions about your iPhone or iPad, leave a comment below, and we'll do our best to help. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the UltFone channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.